All right, small little update. I got the tent done. Also, probably want to change out the engine, filter, air filter on that, but we're gonna see how that go. Let me flip y'all around right quick. Pretty much got the tent done. It's dirty now because all this pollen, but it make a difference. Got ceramic all the way around. I'm gonna wash my baby up soon, but it is colder in here. Just protect all the trim, even though some of it already done faded, but I might get it repainted or re-sand it down. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but that's the filter they're gonna be storing. I got the wicks. Pretty much one of the best filters that you can get for it. Go ahead and change it out, but I'm probably gonna clean it up, put the new carpets in. I still haven't did that yet. And I might change the oil today. I don't know, but I definitely gonna change the filter out. But we'll get to it. Alright. It's what it's still looking like underneath the car. And have not got to cleaning it. The LED lights have been holding up well. Haven't been having no problems with it, but go ahead and change out this. I'm gonna change that too. Since with the car being so old, some of the just rough ride pieces just gone to shit. I might have to do something, change some of it out. Let me go ahead and take this off. My wood ain't really that bad though, I don't think. Yes it is. Yeah, about time for me to replace this one. See how the inside looking? It ain't too bad. I'll probably change that out too. Probably had to go get like a small vacuum cleaner and vacuum that out, but I shall be right back. Let me go do that right quick. All right, I'm back. Just got a little, small handheld vacuum, clean it out. Just to get all the sand and dirt that's all in there. You really do not want that in your engine. Ideally, want it to be the cleanest, but it ain't got to be that clean. But this ain't really doing what I want, so I might take some soap and water to it, and then change that all up. And yeah, I'll probably take some soap and water to it, because I do want that to be the clean as it can be. And get maybe like an air compressor or something like that, and blow out all the dust particles. But I did also have the heater cord and also the whole AC line. All that stuff is new on there, just for it could be good and easy. Look like one of my heat shields. Don't like that. I might have to buy something else to replace that, but I don't really like how that all that just hanging. So I guess some of the retaining clips broke on it, but I'll get that replaced. All right, I'm back. Just took a little air compressor to it, blew it out. Ain't that too major, but changing out these pretty much, all these pretty much easy, man. Ain't really too complicated. Good filter. Okay, this was a frame that I got. Well, it came on it. This one should be much better. I, don't, know, some people, they'll skim out on a, engine filter, but I think that's one of the most important things you need on a car, personally. And just change them out every year. I know them KN's supposed to be really good, but for me, I just prefer this brand. It's just better overall. For the little horsepower that that you might get in return. Let me go ahead and blow this out too. There's so much pollen. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to one of these days this week, after I get done doing all this yard work, stuff like that, I'm gonna tend to my baby and get her right and do a real deep clean. I might change out that light to an LED light, but besides that, I'm gonna clean up this engine bay. Everything seems still to be good. I'm gonna tighten up some pieces here and there, but like I said, everything is in working order on it, so I really can't complain about it. Gonna get the car painted. Dude said gonna charge me about $4,000 to repaint the whole car since I ain't changing the color and stuff like that. But some of the door jams, stuff like that, just cracking. I'm gonna make sure all this is still pristine color. I'm gonna keep it the same color. Pretty much decided on my rims too. Some of the rims, the clear coat filling on a little bit, and I'm gonna probably get some 22s or some 24s. Same as these. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna stick to the same type of rim, just bigger. Just if I can have that stock look. Once I get the car painted, I'm probably gonna paint this white and this red too. Nah, B trying to steam me out here. But that's about it. Well, I got a car running. Car running better, definitely with the new engine filter in it, so that's good. The car do feel slightly cooler with the tint. The tint rim about like $650, but a pretty good deal because like I said, I got every window ceramic tinted with like I think like maybe 80%. Yeah, I got 80% around everything. But I ain't gonna change the oil today. Try to put the ramps on there and the little plastic little piece on there. You keep on hitting the ramp, so I gotta modify the ramp a little bit. I'll do that another day. But besides that, they're pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Probably next video, I'll probably do the oil change and probably do the car detail, and then really like detail this car out, and then I just go from there. Hopefully, I can get it painted soon. Hopefully, but you know how that go. If you're in the car world, you know how that go. But that's it.